Is your AirDrop showing a transfer failed error on your iPhone? This can be really frustrating. It might happen because of connectivity problems, software issues, or device settings. Follow this simple guide to fix the issue and get AirDrop working properly again. Before you begin, ensure your iPhone has at least 20% battery. If it's below 20%, AirDrop won't work. Solution 1. Enable AirDrop from settings for both devices. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select AirDrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make AirDrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if AirDrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Now check again. Solution 2. Turn off low power mode. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Battery. Turn off low power mode. Now swipe down from the top. Turn off and on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Sign out and back into iCloud. Sometimes iCloud syncing issues can interfere with AirDrop. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your phone. Go to Settings again and sign back into iCloud. Retry the AirDrop transfer after signing back in. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle it off from here. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Setting. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset All. Tap Reset All Settings again. Now make sure to give it a Reset All Settings to solve your issues. By doing these steps, you should be able to fix the transfer failed error on AirDrop. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.